Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a short wheelbase Kombi. It's fitted with a 150 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. This is a used 70 plate, and it's an approved vehicle that has been through its 112 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the vehicle, carried out by one of our expert technicians. Now for a walk around the Kombi. To the front, you will notice it's fitted with LED headlights with LED daytime running lights. In the lower part of the bumper, you will notice front fog lights and front parking sensors. This van is also fitted with two nice chrome strips in the centre grille. It's also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the Kombi, as you can see, it's fitted with alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. The wheels are 17-inch. Moving up, you will notice that the door mirror caps and door handles are painted in body colour. Also, the mirrors are heated and power folding. Stepping away from the Kombi, you will notice that it's got twin sliding doors with privacy glass. Also in the privacy glass, you will notice side opening windows. I've now opened the manual sliding door so you can see the rear seats. The rear seats come with Isofix anchorage points. This is ideal for the correct child seat. As you'll also notice, it's got side opening windows, which I mentioned earlier. Moving around to the passenger seat, if you pull this strap, this will allow the seat backs to go down. This will allow more space if needed. Now to the back of the Kombi, you will notice it's fitted with a tailgate with a heated rear screen and rear wash wipe. Across the rear bumper, you'll also notice rear parking sensors. This Kombi is also fitted with LED rear tail lights. The tailgate is also fitted with a transporter badge and a VW emblem. I've now opened the rear tailgate to see inside the load area. As you can see, there's plenty of space for your passengers and drivers' luggage. Across the floor, there's load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. You could also take out the single seat and the twin seat. This would allow more load space if needed. And don't forget, if you pull down the two passenger front seats, this will give you some more added space if needed. This Kombi is painted in Indium grey, which is a very popular colour in the van range. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a chunky feel leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches. Both doors come with some handy storage. Across the dash, you'll notice cup holders and some handy storage in the centre of the dash. Moving to the seats, it's fitted with 6 comfortable seats in bricks woven fabric. The driver's seat is fitted with 2 handy armrests for added comfort on long journeys. The passenger seat also has the added advantage of an armrest if needed. In the armrest, you will notice 2 cup holders and a strap to hold your stuff down. I've now finished my 360 walk around the Kombi. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls in the cab and also the centre media screen. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you will notice mirror and electric window controls. This Kombi is also fitted with a auto headlight system. It's also fitted with media controls, and it's also fitted with cruise control. This Kombi has covered 5,614 miles. To the centre of the dash, it's fitted with an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system with wave technology. It's also fitted with satellite navigation. As you can see, it's easy to use, just pinch your fingers across the screen. You can also pull the screen across to find your ideal location. This system is also fitted with App Connect. This allows you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device It also has a handy system called Mirrorlink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps, e.g. music or maps. Moving away from App Connect, you'll notice that this system also has FM and DAB radio. I'm now going to pop the vehicle into reverse. This vehicle is fitted with a park distance control for your front and rear parking sensors. This will assist you when you're trying to park the vehicle up. Moving away from the centre screen, you will notice it's fitted with a heated front windscreen for cold winter mornings. This Kombi is also fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here we have the temperature control switch. This Kombi is fitted with a 6-speed fan motor. Here's where you can change the direction of the heat. As I mentioned earlier in the video, this vehicle comes with a DSG automatic gearbox. Moving down here, you will notice it's fitted with 2 C charge ports, and it also has a 12-volt socket. Now for a quick recap, this is a Volkswagen Transporter Kombi. It's a short wheelbase. It's fitted with a 150 PS 2-litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. If you'd like any more information on this used vehicle, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the Kombi. And thank you for watching.